What is up, guys? So for this video I'm gonna be showing y'all how to line up the motor with the Minibike. So finally got my plate done on my frame. This was done today. Good welds, around it. I'm gonna be lining up the motor, the chain, line it up, everything, get ready to do the holes, line it up, everything. And we're gonna see how it goes from there. So for now, I'm just using the used motor already. So I'm putting it there first, like that as it is, that's where I want it. And then I already got my sprocket back there. I already moved my tire to where it need to be. The only thing I'm gonna do is grab a chain, use the chain, see how that need the lanes, and cut it to the lane where it needs to be. And then I'll just leave it where it's at. Put some paint or some type of dye in the holes. And once I remove the motor, the holes should be where they at, and that's where we're gonna be drilling the holes at. And then that should be it for now. It's coming along. So I just got done removing the motor from the frame. As you can see right there, I marked my holes. Still see the clean on. My holes will be there, right in the middle of the plate. We got the sprocket. Should be good right there for now. And then right now what I would do is do the holes. Once I'm done with the holes, that's it. I'm done with everything. Gotta get my brakes done. Once I get my brakes done, it's ready for a paint job. So you know, stick along, cause I got brand new everything on everything. Brand new tire, brand new. This is brand new, but I had to use it to, you know, I ain't got no other spare chain. This is the new chain with the sprocket that's new, so I'll be taking that off, and then, you know, I'll be putting the new tire on. I'll be painting those rims. I'll be getting the front rim as well. Not that one though, that's just for now. And other than that, I got the pegs as well. I got everything else. I've been sending it down when I got time, but slowly. And then I got the hose, so I'll do that right now, and I'll catch up when I'm done with the hose. What is up, guys? So this is where I ended up making my holes, right there, like really in the center of the plate. Actually pretty good, because when I set the motor on there with the chain on, it was pretty good. It was good, lined up. I only cut like 2 links off the chain. That was about it. Other than that, the holes are good right there, where they at. Like them. I just gotta drill them all the way in. Once I do that, it's ready for paint job, everything. Got the brakes in, got everything ready for this bad boy.